Welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you that how to add a new user in your Linux system. So you can do that with the help of user add command. So user add, name of the user. Okay, so here you need to use some options. For example, if you want to add this user to the home directory, then you can use here option M. And using such options are compulsory, because if you will not use such option, then it will be rather difficult to access this user. Therefore you have to use some options. So option M is compulsory to use. So now I will use some second option. For example, if you want to access the terminal, that is the shell, then you have to use here option S. And if you don't want terminal, then you can use here capital S. But I want to use the terminal, so I have to use here option S, that is small s. And here you need to mention the name of the shell. So /bin/bash, and you can give any name of the shell, but I recommend you to use this shell. It is a default shell for various Linux distributions, and you have to add this user to the users group. So we can do that with the help of option G. And don't forget to use here sudo to access root. Now for example, if I will not use kane2, and for example if let's use dhruv, so it will give an error. For example, let's give here password. So as you can see, we got an error, that is user group already exists. So the name that you give to the user should be unique. Okay, so press enter. So user kane2 have been successfully created. Now assign password to this user. Again repeat the same command, that is sudo, and here you have to use the passwd command and the name of the user. Okay, just press enter and just type here the password that you want to give. Okay, so password updated successfully. So this is a way to assign a password to the new user. And let's confirm whether the user have been successfully created or not. We can do that. Okay, so as you can see that user kane2 have been successfully created, and this is the way that you can create a new user, or you can add a new user to your Linux system. And now I will show you that how you can delete this user from your Linux system. So instead of user add command, so we will use del user. So del user and the name of the user that you want to delete. So again, if you will give some different name, for example kane3, it will give as output that kane3 does not exist. So you have to mention here the name of the user that is already existed. So just press enter, and as you can see user Ken2 have been successfully removed from the system. Again, let's confirm whether it is removed or not. Again, let's go to administration, and as you can see, there is only one user named Dhruv. So in this way you can add new user and delete a new user in your Linux system. Now if you are unable to delete a user using del user command, for example, if you got any error such as user Ken2 is used by the process 4800, then what should you do? You should simply kill that process. For example, kill 4800. In my case, the user have been successfully removed, but in your case there can be error. So simply kill that process, kill and the name of the process, for example 4800, and then you will be able to delete the user using the del user command. So I have also faced some error, so I have just given you the solution. So thanks for now. If you like my content, then subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.